Our association with Valmet is more than 3 decades. So whenever there is a latest technology available across the globe, we work very closely with Valmet, and Valmet will do a study and proposes what are all the benefits which ITC is going to occur, and then we work together partnering with Valmet. And we also had a couple of cooperation agreements with Valmet, wherein Valmet works with us along with ITC and gives proposals for possible upgrades.
The highlights of the long cooperation agreement, what we see that Valmet is with us, so that any issues, technical challenges or improvement comes, immediately we can reach Valmet and we get the support in time. As a part of learning curve in the new technology, when we do some shortfalls or anything unknowingly, then Valmet can correct, and so that our asset will be reliability or longevity and the performance will be better.
We installed a high energy recovery boiler. This is the first time in India. There is the high energy features. Means many of the features are new to us. So we gone for the cooperative agreement with Valmet. 3 parts we divided. One is the increase in the efficiencies. Next one is the study of the process. Third one is the mechanical maintenance. That is during the shutdown we inspected with Valmet total pressure part. So it is helping to what is the thickness reduction happening year on year, and because of agreement they are giving some suggestion to increase the efficiency as well as runnability of the boiler.
And there is a good cooperation with the Valmet, and as and when required they are helping us, and as and when required we are able to connect to the experts.
Always Valmet is supportive to us. So whenever there is a serious problems or serious optimization problem, also we could be able to contact the Valmet process engineers or maintenance engineers. The support with respect to the process optimization or troubleshooting, those things are very good.